December wozohlukanisa unyaka nomprofeti ngimema bonke abantu eindaweni zonke ubusuku bonke abantu abagqoke ingubo ezimhlophe ngicela ungiphathele ugqoke ingubo ezimhlophe kuyobe kumhlophe la uyofika uthenge amakhandlela khona la umprofeti azobe ebusisele wona ngomhla ka31 wozohlukanisa unyaka nomprofeti wakho uma siqeda emva ka12 imoto ziyaphuma zibheke empophomeni ngizobe ngiyohlaba abantu empophomeni for u2025 ngizothi ngena nesibusiso into zakho masivuleke ngithi ngo3 ekseni ziyaphuma imoto khona la ziya empophomeni ngimema wonke umuntu ngabe umfundisi ungabe umthandazi awubheke nje manje mfundisi uhamba ngenyawo ubishop awunamoto hamba ngenyawo ubishop ngisho ibandla lakho bayakukhuluma ukuthi umfundisi akanalutho ngithi woza ngithi ungahlali phansi ungaba usebenza ngabantu woza lapha ngizokufaka empophomeni ngizophakamisa izinto zakho ziphakame ngithi ke wena ozobe ukhona kuleyo nkonzo yomhla ka31 ngiphathele imbewu ka340 rand sekuhlangene netransport 340 rand ngiyokufaka empophomeni ngiyophakamisa isipho sakho ngiyophakamisa izipho zakho ngiyophakamisa isithunywa sakho mhla ka31 abaphela bonke abantu 31 December umprofeti uzobe ekulindile la siyofika futhi la iyongena inkonzo mhla ka31 bese kuthi ngeyi1 siyaphuma ekseni ngo3 sibheke empophomeni ngithi mina ungasibambeleli ungakhohlwa ukuthi abathakathi abaphumule kubamba ezinelayo ungakhohlwa ukuthi wavalwa umuntu uyovulwa futhi umuntu nansi indoda kaNkuluNkulu ayikho into engayiphethe abantu bayabonga babonga imoto babonga imisebenzi uhlalelele ungahlali ngalolu suku abaphume bonke abantu eindaweni zonke udinga iwasho fona njengamanje siyakuphosela ungabe use Cape Town yonke indawo sinanevimba moya wena odinga nansi into enhlanhla nansi into yokuvula amaphupho ivimba moya 300 rand siyakuphosela fona njengamanje baningi abantu abathathe ivimba moya into zabo zavuleka njengoba nje elifakile umprofeti nanti angeke ngikunikeze into engingayifaki nami ngithi fona njengamanje uthola ulwazi sizovula izinto zakho nakho kunye ngazisa nonke bonke abantu abaseThekwini akekho umuntu ophethe iwasho umprofeti uDr X njengamanje ngisenhlelweni zokuvula ioffice lapha eThekwini ngizonilethela iziwasho eduzane ngiyezwe ukuthi kunabantu lapha abakhona eThekwini abasebenza ngegama lami abazinswela boya ngithole nje inswela boya zilambele ngithi umprofeti iwasho ziyaodwa njengamanje kodwa bantu baseThekwini ngiyahlela lapha eThekwini ngihlela indawo la ngizodayisela khona nithole khona ama product akamprofeti original ngithi ke mina ke bonke ke abantu abaphelele buka njengamanje nansi inkonzo abantu bephiliswa buka inkonzo sanibona nonke lapha ekhaya Mondlo Vryheid Tswala kahla emvunzini lapha engidabuka khona ngiyanithanda nonke lapho Vryheid emvunzini ngabala ngitheni ngeke ngiqede ngiyabonga God bless you inkosi inibusisa uNkulunkulu makabe nani nonke awuphakamisa isandla phezulu umdumise
Praise the Lord.
awuhlale phansi khona into engifuna ukutshela yona
I want to inform you about something.
lelizwi
The
lomemo
word of invitation
alibuyi lambala
cannot come back without invitation.
malifika
If it is arriving,
lifika kungekho lutho
there will be nothing.
abantu sebekhulume yonke
People speak everything.
abantu bahlulela
People are adjudicating.
abanye bajaja bathi zero bathi nothing
Oh, non-existent.
kodwa maselifikile
When it has arrived,
futhi malifiki
if it is
akekho
coming,
ongalivimba ngaphandle
no
kwakho.
one can stop it.
Lingavinjwa nguwe
Stop by
ngokwemisebenzi yakho.
yourself through your actions and your behavior.
Kufika lapha omunye usisi
The lady came to the prophet.
uthi lo sisi ngafika
She said,
ngigula
"I
baba
came
ubela
here to
kuthanga
receive."
cishe
She came
emva
here
kathanga
the
uthi baba umprofeti
for yesterday.
ngaphupha ekhaya
I dreamt at home.
ngoba uNkulunkulu nangephupho
Through dream,
uyeza
God can
kumuntu
approach you.
la abantu belele
People
ebusuku
are sleeping at night.
that's why uma
If
ungasaphuphi
you don't dream
kumele
anymore,
uyihluphe
you have to
and
prepare
iphupho
yourself. The dream,
mawuliphupha
if you are dreaming about
ungalikhumbuli
it, if you
kumele
don't remember
uyihluphe
it,
something
you
wrong
must have a problem.
yingakho abathakathi mabefuna ukuvala bakuvala amaphupho
Your dreams will be locked first.
ukuze ungaboni lutho
Cannot visualize any.
mabevala amaphupho
They lock your dream.
bavala amathonga
They are
wakhe
locking
izithunywa
ancestors,
zakini
messengers of your family.
kufika lapha omunye usisi uyafika lapha ngihlezi lapha angikhulume ngaye futhi uma efika last week uyangena nomyeni wakhe lo sisi babili babambene bayafika bahlala phansi isikhathi eside ngihlezi lapha bengihlezi lapha iviki lonke kusuka Monday
For the whole
ngihlezi la
week
ngihamba
from Monday,
ntambama
the prophet.
isikhathi esiningi ngihlala ngihlezi la
I used to come here now.
afike angene lo sisi lalela
Entered. Listen.
mawungalalela
If you may listen,
bese ushintsha indlela yakho
change your attitude.
mawuqeda futhi uyibuke wena esibukweni sisesibukweni masina
Contemplate on
wonke
the
umuntu la
mirror.
makayibuke
Everyone, just contemplate and see
lokho okubona
reflection.
ku-wrong kususe
What is
yikho
reflecting
kungafuneki
you? This is a defect. Take it away.
wonke umuntu okhona kule ndawo sisesibukweni masila
Mila, we should contemplate on it.
onobhici
With the blacksmith,
uyalazi ubhici lwakho
you know your blacksmith.
lungisa
Take it out.
la uhambe khona
Whatever you've been.
ungangeni kule ndawo uhlabelele wenze yonke into kanti ngemumva ulandelwa zimpukane
There are some accusations.
amaphunga uright impela uphambi kaJehova kodwa ulungisile emuva
Did you
la one
rectify your
khona
breakdown? Wherever you've gone wrong, did
uyileni wakwenza
you
uxolo
reconcile with those
emuva
people where you come from?
emndenini uyenzileni
Think
peace
about, do you reconcile with them?
uthi lo dade baba
The
umprofeti
lady said, Father Prophet,
ngaphupha
I dreamt.
ngisekhaya
was at
bafika
home.
bayaguqa lapha nomnyeni wakhe bahlala phansi
They sat
bayathoba
down. They were humbled. and obedient.
abathobi ngoba bezenza
They just did it.
bathoba ngoba bezwa
They
izwi
heard the
beza la
word.
ekhaya
Come now.
alibuyi lilambatha
It is entangling.
njengemvula
The rain
mayahlazulwini
descending from the rain.
yehlela emhlabeni
From the
iwunethisa umhlaba
waters the earth.
ifika iveze
It may
ithelo
spread the fruit.
banjalo abalalela
Same
lelizwi
people that are
elikhulunywa
listening,
umprofeti
spoken by the prophet.
naseNazaretha
eNazaretha,
babusiseka ubobuza
people
isandla
were
neso khona abantu abahamba
Check the
ngezimoto
reference. The people
abafika
were
bewu0
They came
ngangisemncane ke
non-existent.
lapho
I was
kodwa
young.
babengihlonipha
They used to honor the
ngisho
prophet.
baba badala ngoba
The elders.
babengahloniphi mina
Not respecting the
babehlonipha
prophet.
lesi sipho
They honor the
isiphekwane
gift, the gift
behlonipha
upon the
leli
prophet.
thongo eliphekwane
Ancestors
behlonipha
of the prophet.
lento engihamba nayo
Respected what the
umuntu
prophet
nomuntu
had.
mayezalwa
Everyone's giving
unesabelo
prayer.
sakhe
There is your portion.
uthi lo sisi
The lady said,
baba umprofeti
Father Prophet,
ekhaya sisindisiwe
Oh, yes, sir.
angiwazi
I don't
nomsamo
even know the all.
ngakhula mina ubaba
I grew
esindisiwe
up, my father was
uthi
saved.
baba ngigulile
I felt sick,
ngagula
felt sick.
ngaphela emzimbeni
thin.
uthi ngaphela ngahamba yonke indawo ngahamba inyanga ngahamba izangoma ngahamba odokotela bathi odokotela ababoni lutho kanti udliwa yini
What is worrying you?
angitshele umuntu ophethwe zithunywa
person suffering from
idlozi noma
messenger
ithonga
ancestors.
akalapheki esibhedlela
Is incurable. Even the
Udinga
medical
abantu
doctor.
bakamoya.
You need spiritual people.
uthi ngahamba yonke indawo uthi ngahamba ngena uthi
I went all over.
ithi indoda baba
said-
wayesefile umngane
My wife was dead.
uthi wayesesengaka
thin like this
hayi
size,
ngoba eloyiwe
not bewitched.
ushawa ukuthi ekhaya kubo babezindisiwe
Therefore, they were saved.
manje
before.
ithunywa le
Ancestors,
ziboshiwe ezinye
and
sezizokhuluma
captivity.
kuyena
They want to communicate with them.
ithunywa ke mayikhuluma
If they are speaking
zikhuluma ngendlela eziningi amathongo
different men,
omunye
ancestors,
angakhuluma nje ishayisa
Speak
imoto
of vehicle
usinde
collide,
kanti ukukhuluma
suffer
kwazi
the crash.
isithunzi
That is how they are trying to communicate with you.
nikhona ngathi wothi
Are you
ngisize baba
present? So help me, Father.
ngisize Nkosi
Help me,
ngigeze
Lord.
baba zonke
Wash me,
iziqalekiso
all the curses
zasemndenini
of my family.
mina ngizokutshela lala
Come to
mntana
tell
lehlisana
you.
ngizokutshela
Come to tell you.
ngithunyiwe mangila
I am
ngingumthunywa
sent. I am
angiyena
sent.
uNkulunkulu
I'm not a
kodwa
God.
izwi
The word
engiliphethe
that I'm
akulona
propagating
lami
is not mine.
ubaba
The Father.
lento yokuthi izono zabazali zehlela
Trespasses of
zehlela
parents.
kubantwana ungayithathi kancane ikhona ngempela
That thing is genuine.
bakhona abanye phakathi kwenu namanje kumnyama indaba isukela kubazali
They inherited from the
abaloyiwanga
parents. Not
isiqalekiso
bewitched. It's a curse.
izinto ezenziwa
Things that
abazali
are done by your parents.
zehlela kulesi
You
sizukulwane
inherited
salaba
them
bantu.
to the generations that.
qaphela
Be careful.
into oyenzayo
Whatever you do.
ingehlele ey'nganeni zakho
Not to
lungisa ulimi lwakho
inherit
lungisa
them.
indlela
Your
zakho
lingo must be rectified and your behaviors as well.
uthi ngaphela emzimbeni ngaphela idlozi bekungakhulunywa ngale khaya bekungashiswa mpepho bekungenziwa lutho uthi ngagula ngaphe uthi baba ekuguleni kwami sengilahla ithemba indoda iyafaka sithi ngase ngilindele vele ithuna
I was
uzwe uyaxoxa la phezulu uthi ngisho umngcwabo wami ngawubona umngcwabo wami sengihamba uthi ngawubona umngcwabo yonke into eyenzeka ngabona ukuthi ngiyahamba
I
impela
was about to
kodwa
go.
ebusuku umusa
Now
kaJehova
the mercy of God.
lo musa wongaka sewungatholwa wanele bonke lo musa longaka yebo nawe ongakholwa uyabiselwa kahleni bo lo musa longaka yebo ke nawe Nkosi yami ongakakholwa usimakade uyabizelwa lo musa longaka lo musa longaka sewungatholwa wanele bonke khuluma ngomuntu obela bambonile bonke
Simple
ubezobusisa imoto
came to bless the
entsha
vehicle,
new
a brand new vehicle.
hey okungenzeki kubantu
What is
kuyenzeka
impossible to
Jehova
people?
nasemathongeni
Oh, it's happening to the ancestors and
ulalala ebusuku
slept at night.
uthi baba ngagula ngathi ngiyahamba uthi ngase ngiphuphe ebusuku baba kwase kuthiwa kwafika umuntu ebusuku ngilele ngoba lalani uyathanda uthanda idlozi likhona
Ancestors are there.
I don't care ukuthi uthini ithonga likhona umuntu akafi into efayo
What
inyama
is mortal is a flesh.
uthi ngathi ngilele ebusuku uthi kwafika umuntu ngoba ebusuku yila khona inkosi yedla
That's where
khona
the Lord is descending.
ngo-12
Midnight.
ngo-1
After
Ngo-2.
midnight. At dawn.
ngo-3
At dawn.
kukhona abantu abangavuki
People
bathandaze
wake up
ebusuku
and pray at night.
abalala hulu
They are
kuhluthoko
sleeping like dead person.
ubukufa
Like a
ithi
deceased
inkosi
person.
yamanazaretha
The Lord of
ithi
the
ningalali ubuthongo
Don't
obukufa
sleep like a dead person.
bonke abathakathi abalala
The
abathakathi
sorcerers
abathakathayo
don't sleep.
abalali njengayo
They don't sleep like
wena ulala
yourself.
hubu
You're sleeping.
abathakathi abalali
Fast asleep,
uthulele wena
sorcerers.
babiza igama lakho
Someone
babiza umuzi wakini
someone
babiza
owns
nonke
it.
ekhaya banibiza nonke bathi
All of you are
la
someone
akungaphumeleli
there.
muntu
No one must succeed within this family.
wena ulele huhle
You are sleeping. Fast asleep.
awuthandazi nje endlini
Don't even pray.
uthandaza ngoba usukhona kule ndawo kuphela
Within the church only.
ukhuleka la
We are praying.
thandaza la
Praying here.
uthandaza uzubanga umsindo mawula kodwa lo msindo awukho la uhlala
The
khona
noise is not where.
la uhlala khona umsindo nempi
Anarchy and the brawl.
kuyaliwa
There is a fight here.
fight ongaphansi ongaphezulu mama
Up and down,
Nendoda.
wife and a man.
imsindo khala iqapha khudlu
The dog
nokupheka amabhoda khala kakhulu mama ucasule
is angry like this.
ayakhala phela amabhoda umama mangekho right
The mother is angry.
ayikho into ebuhlungu
It's
njengokungazwani
very
kwabantu
painful. People don't get
behlala
along.
ndawonye owesilisa nowesifazane abangazwani
Female spouses, they
uyabona
don't get
uma
along.
ningazwani endlini
Don't get along with each other.
yonke into yeni iyafa
Everything
kuze kufe ngisho
is,
imizwa
feelings as well will not operate.
ngikhuluma iqiniso la
This is a genuine.
uyabona once nangazwana endlini
Don't get along now.
hayi izawusebenza ngaphandle umshini wakhe oga ngaphandle
Whatever it is,
ngeke ugayile
nothing, no performance.
nomama uyozaphume naye
Go and become unfair.
athi ngiyantshontsha kathi usengena esilingweni
A temptation will be her portion
ngenxa nje yengxabano
because of the conflict.
sanibonani
Good afternoon.
angithi nifuna inhlanhla
Do you expect like
nifuna ukuvusa imizi obababili
want to reconstruct the home?
nifuna ukudibana nezwe
To
likamoya
meet the realm of
uzokwana
spirit
uhamba
and passing away.
uthi uma esexoxa uthi ngagula baba uthi ngithe ngilele ebusuku ngathi ngilele ebusuku
Slept at night.
wafika umuntu wathi hey wena
Someone came and said,
hamba ufuna umprofeti uXaba
go and look for Dr.
uDr. X
Who
eDoreen
Dr.
Fontaine.
X? eDoreen Fontaine.
Uyofika
Yeah,
usizakale
I thought,
kuyena.
you want to get a deliverance there.
ngikhuluma ngomuntu obekhona la bambalile bonke ngizengababiza bonke sawubusisa imoto ngaphandle
God bless the
into
vehicle.
ebingekho
That was
engakafiki la
not there before.
Uyithole la.
Yeah, she acquired a vehicle from me.
uthi baba ngathula ngabuza ngathi ukuphi uXaba ngabuza bathi hayi egoli uthi baba ngeza lapha ngigula ngingekho
Very
ngifile
critical. sick,
uthi ngibanjiwe ngifile useyisidudlu ngaka
Very big.
okungenzeki kubantu
What
kuJehova
is
kuyenzeka
impossible to the people is happening to God.
uNkulunkulu uyabuyisa ubusha bakho njengokhozi abuyise okudliwe isikhonyana kuyabuyiswa okudliwe abathathi kuyabuyiswa umsebenzi wakho uzobuyiswa imali yakho izobuyiswa imoto yakho izobuyiswa umshado wakho uzobuyiswa wathi yebo
Oh,
baba
say yes, Father, I receive.
if you believe wathi yebo baba
Paul, say yes, Father.
ngoba kungenzeka ukuthi khona lapha awukholo
Don't believe.
khona abantu abakhona ngemzimba kodwa inhliziyo azikho
They are faithless, yet their hearts are outside.
uthi ngafika baba
I came here, Father.
uthi ngafika la ekhaya wakhuluma ngomsamo ngafica kade uzokhuluma ngomsamo uthi ngathi Nkosi yami kade ngilethele lokhu uthi wakhuluma ngomsamo uthi wakhuluma ngeembuzi ezintathu
3 goats.
uthi wakhuluma uthi baba ngathatha konke ngakuthatha ngaya nakhe ekhaya uthi baba ngayithenga izimbuzi ezintathu ngenza yonke into
I performed the ritual.
wenza umnyeni wami kwenzeka yonke into uthi baba ngiqeda lapho ngaphila emva kalokho ngathola umsebenzi engangiwufundele
I found a job that
uyayizwa indaba naye yasezulwini wathi baba ngisize Nkosi
Father, help me, Lord.
wathi loyo moya wasezulwini
Reach of the heaven.
mawungigeze mawungihlambulule makuvuleka inhlanhla yami makuvuleka into zami makuvuleka isibusiso sami mangigezwe zonke iziqalekiso zasemndenini
For my family.
uthi umama
She said,
nobaba besindisiwe
The family
babengayazi
was
lento
did not
uthi
know this
ngaqala
thing.
phansi
I
ngafunda
started to learn.
uNkulunkulu waba nami
God
uthi baba
was with me.
kokugcina
The last thing is,
la uthi baba
listen,
nansi imoto ngaphandle
there's a vehicle outside.
ake ngicela isimanga
Let
leso
me tell it's a miracle.
ukhipha imali la engeke ngisho
Use the
ngivezile
money.
kodwa lapha ku TV ku TikTok uthi baba nansi imali
There's a
ngizobonga
man. I come to thank you. This is my
la ke
token.
nansi impendulo
response.
uthi baba
Father,
ngiqeda nje kwenza yonke into
after performing a ritual,
ngathola
I
umsebenzi
found a job.
uthi manje emavikini laphelile
Some few weeks down
ngithe
the line,
ngihlezi kwangena imessage
mlayezo.
ithi imessage
It says,
u-applyela imoto uthi ngoba imoto
this
angaze
time,
ngiyi-applyele
I've
nje
never done it.
hayibo kwenzakalani
What is happening?
uthi kuthiwa wena u-applyela imoto manje
Sicela.
sicela uthumele ama-statement wakho angazi
Credentials,
ukuthi
please.
kuya-apply one statement angazi le nto
I don't know
Singekho
the
statement.
procedure. I don't know the procedure.
uthi ngathumela yonke imininingwane yami
My details.
imoto iselimpompo la ikhona
Limpopo
ibibhaliwe
province.
imoto eniyibonile ibhaliwe
It was
ukuthi
written.
Limpopo
Limpopo province.
lapha bhalele lokuzana Limpopo number plate
Number plates.
uthi baba ngagcwasa yonke into ngahambisa uthi ngathi inkosi yami akuyona ifake ngoba
it not a
uNkulunkulu
scam?
uyazenza wenza imilengu yasezulwini
God
kube
can
ngazathi
perform miracles.
uthi ngisize baba
Say, Lord, help me.
ngoba alibuyi lilambatha
Cannot come back without a
walalela izwi
Took it directly.
walalela isifundiso
A
akusizi
doctrine
ukuba khona
and
la
your
kodwa
presence
ungenzi
is
isifundiso
there.
sala
You
uphila
don't
khona
do the school of thoughts of the prophet.
isifundiso
Doctrine.
even mawufuna ukuphumelela
If you want to succeed,
ekhaya egcekeni kumele
home,
uthathe
yeah.
isifundiso sikayihlo
Blessing of your father.
ngibhizi ngiyasebenza ngoba
I'm working.
ngisebenzela abakithi
I work for my people.
ngilethwe yibo la
I'm brought in here. by
zathi
them.
noma ishayile inhlamvu zu4
4 bullets.
bafika le kwathiwa no stop
It is-
akwakaqedi
Not finished.
aweze kufa wena
Not gonna die.
ngoba mabengakavumi ngale
No,
ngeke
not willing.
mawungakawufezi
If
umsebenzi
not accomplish your
waba
mission,
bakuthumeke kona kule ndawo
whatever they say
uyosinda
before, you're gonna survive.
uyobhaselwa nezinsuku zokuphila
Some
kwakho
more days will be given.
akukho la ungeke udlule khona
Pass it.
uyondlula kubathakathi uyophuza umuntu ungakubulali bayohlangana bayohlukana ngendlela ezisikhombisa izitha zakho uma ubambelele
If you are stuck.
uthi baba ngahambisa
She said, I
statement
said,
uthi ngathi ifake ke le
it's a scam.
uthi kodwa ngahambisa
I just sent
uthi emva kweinsuku yabuya
some
kwathiwa
few days.
wena uphumelele wozolanda imoto ufuna
Come and collect
sikulethele
it.
egoli
Do you want us to
wathi
deliver?
lona ayilethene othi hayi ngithi hayi ngiyasaba ngoba angithembi kahle baba ake sime baba asithi abayilethe kule branch yasegoli
Let's just tell
bamtshele
them
bethi
bayilethele.
ahamba ebranchini ethile eSandton
Go to Sentin area.
uyofika uyithi bayisusa imoto le
The vehicle from
eLimpopo
Limpopo province.
ngikhuluma ngemoto
The vehicle.
ibikade imela iminyango
It was outside the
wonke umuntu uyibonile ku TikTok uyibonile ku Facebook
Social
uthi
network.
ngaya khona
I went there.
uNkulunkulu uyaphila
God is alive.
uwena okumele uphile
We should be alive as well.
akaphili kuwe ngoba ufuna ukuphuma umphilele
We don't want to be okay with God.
omntunga bayazi leyo ndaba mntunga
Malo is a witness.
uyakhumbula ngisekwashembe
When I was
kwafika enye indoda
What a gentleman.
ithi kwenzeke isimangaliso
What will happen?
ithi kungena ifoni
The call.
awe manje uNkulunkulu manje uyazenza izinto
God is able.
ithi le ndoda ngithe ngihlezi kwangena ifoni kwathiwa egarage ethile wozolanda imoto wena uthi ngaqake ukuthi imoto ngizoyilanda ngibe hayibonaka umhlolo uNkulunkulu wenza izinto ezihlula abantu
Things that are failing.
umlingo wasezulwini
The
ukhona
heavenly realm is there.
nansi into efuna uNkulunkulu
This is what God wants.
ukuhamba kwakho
Your behavior.
akube discipline
Let it be disciplined.
mawuphuma la uyapi
Where are you going from?
phakathi neviki uhambe phi
The witness. Where did you go?
ungene kuphi
Where did you go?
la uhambe khona kuhlanzekile
Is it
la
hygienic?
ulale khona kuhlanzekile
Is it hygienic?
ngabe uhambe entandweni kaNkulunkulu
To the will of God.
ungabe ukhulume kanjani ungabe uhambe phi
Where did you go?
konke okusephaketheni kwakho
To the
lakho
people. The pocket.
ngabe hlambulukile
Is it clean?
imali oyiphethe yona ihlambulukile
Is it hygienic?
le mali oyiphethe yona i-right noma imali
Right.
yegazi
For
imali
blood,
oyiphethe
the money.
ungabe yokulala ulale nendoda ngokuphethe le mali ulalela amadoda
Fornicated.
imali yakho isibusiso noma
Is it a
isinengiso
blessing or abominable?
ungabe lento esephaketheni
Is
lakho
it pocket?
ibusisekile
Is it blessed?
ungabe impahla
The
ayigqokile
clothes, your attire,
ibusisekile
Is it blessed?
ungabe ukudla okudlayo
The food that you
awudli ukudla kontshontshwa
stealing
awudli ukudla okuphuma mangobe
from
yonke into oyenzayo
whatever you do.
emsebenzini ungaba untshontshe awulonisela
Steal.
la usebenza khona
Work
azikho izinto ophuma nazo ngaphandle
stealing.
oh
Anything
azikho izinto ophuma nazo umlungu wakho ungaza uphuma lezinto
going up.
ezingekho emthethweni emsebenzini
Some dulux.
oshukela ofika nabo ekhaya baphuzwe izingane zakho ungaba uyintshontshe la usebenza khona ekitchen
Don't you steal it from the kitchen?
umlungu wakho mawuqeda ukushayisa
Yoba.
awuya ekitchen uphethe uplastic
So the plastic,
uyovula oshukela bomlungu wakho
the sugar.
esikhwameni sakho gubu
Back.
uyaphuma emsebenzini uphethe isikhwama uphethe oshukela bakuntshontsho yobapha izingane zakho
Give to the
isiqalekiso soshukela
Yes, sugar.
nobisi lomlungu lugcwele esikhwameni sakho
In your purse.
hayi thiwa ngikhulume uthi baba ngikhulume uthi baba angikhulume uthi baba hey lalela la endlini hey uJehova uyabonelela bakwethu
God is a provider and a maintainer.
wobheka ukuhamba kwakho ngoba uyolinyazwa izinto othi zi-right kanti azikho right
You think they are right?
lokhu kuthiwa
they are
hayi
not right.
umlungu uyantshontsha
Is a white
kuyisinengisa
man.
ukweba
That is
nanoma webela
disgusting.
noma ubani kuyisinengisa
Irrespective-
ukweba
Irrespective of who do you steal from.